celebrate the National Space Day dedicated to honoring our nation's achievements in space exploration and to acknowledge the remarkable achievements of the Indian Space Research Organization. Our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi officially declared 23rd August as the National Space Day. India's moon mission represents a monumental milestone in our journey through space. It highlights the innovation and dedication of the Indian Space Research Organization and its team of brilliant scientists and engineers. The successful landing of Vikram lander on Moon not only demonstrated our technological powers but also reaffirmed India's position as a key player in the global space community. Despite the failure of Chandrayaan 2, our scientists continue to preserve and innovative, leading to the remarkable success soft landing of Vikram lander. India became the first nation to land near the lunar south pole. Behind the success of moon mission, there is hard work, dedication, and innovative spirit of our scientists and engineers. National Space Day is a chance for all of us, especially young minds, to engage with the wonders of space. As we celebrate National Space Day, let us inspire by the spirit of exploration and discovery. Let us support and encourage the pursuit of knowledge and continue to reach for the stars, which reminded of the boundless possibilities that await us. By doing so, we honor the legacy of our space missions and the way for future advancement that will continue to inspire and benefit humanity. Thank you and have a